My name is Joseph Betancourt. I'm Senior Vice President of Equity and Community Health, and I'm here to get my vaccine. And my why is to protect my family and to finally get a chance to get back to our normal life. Going into this, and I'm not afraid, and I'm excited, and I hope everybody will join me. So here I am, one step closer. Got my vaccine already, and excited to do this. So we're almost there, and really excited, and again, thrilled that everybody in our community can see this and know that this is our path back. Aquí vamos con la vacuna.
All right, little Band-Aid and you'll be all set to go.
That was it?
That was it.
Nilo said, okay. I seriously didn't feel bad. So there it is. I got the vaccine. I swear I didn't even feel the needle. And so off we go. In 28
days.
In 28 days, I'll be back for my second, 95% effective, and I'll be immune, and the fear will be gone, and we'll be on the path back to normal. So thank you. So I'm all done. 28 more days now till my second vaccine. Got my card, got my information, feeling good. I'll just sit here now for 15 minutes and be observed, but I feel great. Never even felt the vaccine go in my arm at all. So really excited. Hope everybody joins me.